Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to set length and decimal place for number field in Salesforce. And we are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So, before moving forward, we would like to inform you that we have recently launched a Salesforce course specially for a Salesforce administrator, and even if you are a beginner, you will easily understand the topics and content of the course. And here also a limited time offer of 50% discount for the early birds, and you will get the lifetime access of the course, and you can buy this course through the link that we are mentioned in the description box. This Salesforce admin training course is from beginner to advanced level, and it also have a 9 plus modules and have a 21 plus hour of HD videos, and we also provide a course material like PDF and solutions, and also do one-to-one doubt clears and interview preparation session, and also provide the certification of completion and internship and placement opportunities. So you can subscribe this course and learn a lot about this Salesforce administrator part. So let's move on to our topic. So this is my Salesforce Lightning org, and here we are learn how to set the length and decimal place for number field in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly click on the gear icon, and after clicking on the gear icon, we can see under this gear icon, the setup option is present. Click on this setup option. Our setup page is open, and under this setup page, we can see there is an object manager tab present on the navbar. So click on this object manager tab, and here we can see lots of objects are present, and we want to select the opportunity object. So we enter the opportunity in the search box and then select the opportunity object. Our opportunity page is open, and here we can see the detail related to the opportunity, and on the left side under the detail section we can see there is a field and relationship option present. Click on this field and relationship option. Our field and relationship page is open, and under this page we can see lots of fields are present, but we want to create the new field, so we click on the new button. The data type page is open, and here we want to select the number data type. So we click on the number checkbox that allow the user to enter any number. Leading zeros are removed, and then click on the next button. Our opportunity new custom field page is open. Now enter the field label, and here we are entering the field label as a total revenue, and then select the length, and here we are selecting the length as 15, and enter the decimal place as a 2, that give the number of the digit to the right of the decimal point, and then scroll to the bottom and hit the next button. Now we come to our next step, that is establish your field level security. Select the profile to which we want to grant the added access to this field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profile if we do not add it to the field level security. We want to add this field to the field level security. That's why we click on the visible checkbox and hit the next button. And we come to our next step, that is add to the page layout. Select the page layouts that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of this page layout. The field will not appear on any pages if we do not select the layout. For changing the location of this field on the page, we will need to customize this page layout. So hit the save button, and we come back to our field and relationship page, and under this page we can see our total revenue with a number data type field is created successfully, and we set our length and the decimal place as of 15 and 2. Now select the app launcher, and enter the sales in the search box and hit the sales option. Our sales page is open. Now select the opportunity tab. Our opportunity record page is open and here we want to create the new record. So we click on the new button and our new opportunity dialog box is open and here we fill the opportunity name as a sales and then enter the amount and then scroll to the bottom, select the close date, amount, account name if you want to select, otherwise leave it as it is, and then select the type, stage, and then scroll to the bottom and select the lead source and then select the due date, currency, and then scroll to the bottom and here we can see there is a total revenue field is present. Now enter the total revenue. Here we enter the total revenue as this and you can see our total revenue show the decimal place before the 2 digit and then hit the save button. And here we go, our record is saved and we hit the detail option and here we can see that our total revenue is filled with the 50,000 and our decimal point is placed before the two numbers. So let's move ahead and discuss about how to set the length and decimal place for number field in Salesforce Classic. So for this, we click on the profile picture and under this profile picture, we can see there is an option present, switch to Salesforce Classic, click on this option. Our classic version is open and under this classic version, we can see there is a username present and we click on the drop down arrow of the username and select the setup option. Our setup page is open. Now enter the object in the quick find box and then click on the drop down arrow of the customize and select the object option. Our custom object page is open and under this page lots of objects are present and here we want to select the project object, so we click on the project object. Our custom object project page is open and under this page we can see there is a detail related to the project and we scroll to the bottom. Here we can see the custom field and relationship section are present and here we want to create the new field and set the length and decimal place for this field. So we click on the new button. Our new data type page is open and here we want to select the number data type. So we hit the number checkbox and then click on the next button. Our project new custom field page is open and here we enter the field label as a estimated duration and enter the estimated duration and then select the length and here we select the length as a 5 and enter the decimal place as 2 and then hit the next button. Now we move to our next step, that is establish the field level security. So we want to add this field to the field level security. That's why we click on the visible checkbox and click on the next button. Now we want to add this page to the page layout. So we select the page layout that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of this page layout. The field will not appear on any pages if we do not select the layout and hit the save button. Now we come back to our project custom object page and scroll to the bottom and here under the custom field and relationship section we can see our estimated duration with the number data type and set the length and the decimal place for this type as a 5 and 2. Now we scroll up and we want to select the project object, so we click on the drop down arrow and select the projects. Our project record page is open. Here we want to create the new record, so we click on the new button and then enter the sales project and then select the project status, start time and task estimated hour and then select the start date and then select the estimated date which is automatically filled and then select the employee and then click on the higher priority and estimated duration and then hit the save button. And here we go, we can see our estimated duration is set as a 30 decimal point 00. This show our decimal point has a 2 decimal place. That's why our decimal place is shown before the 2 number. So with this, we have learned how to set the length and decimal place for number field in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.